Hailstorms are common in North Texas, wrecking property and causing major insurance problems. That's why it's good to know the difference between actual cash value and replacement cost value. Here's an example. Both Tom and Sally have been hit by a hailstorm, and their roofs are total losses, requiring a $10,000 claim to replace them. Now, Tom has an actual cash value policy, so on his $10,000 claim to replace the roof, he receives a check for $5,000 after a deductible of $2,000 and an additional $3,000 taken off because of depreciation of the roof after time and normal wear and tear. And so the other $5,000 in order to fix the roof will have to come out of his own pocket. Sally, on the other hand, has a replacement cost value policy, and so she also receives a check for $5,000 after a deductible of $2,000, but here's the difference. The insurance company will hold the recoverable depreciation of $3,000 until Sally gives the insurance company a receipt for the $10,000 showing that the roof has been replaced. Once that happens, Sally will receive her $3,000 for the recoverable depreciation from the insurance company and will only be out the $2,000 for her deductible. But remember, with the replacement cost value policy, you must replace the roof with the same type of roof or better in order to collect the recoverable depreciation. Contact your independent agent in order to determine which policy is best for you.